Japan.
Japan.
So good, Eder.
Japan.
This.
Can I see some?
Three.
Wow.
That I tell you something.
No matter I get itchy, I don't scratch it.
Where?
That's why I'm literally so itchy right now.
China.
Yes.
Say China.
We're
China.
done.
If you
Ano?
if you learn to pronounce Japan and China, I'll bring you there.
Okay. Now.
Promise. Now. I'll bring you. Tomorrow we'll go.
Okay.
Oh, but you pronounce it
This
properly.
Now where we go?
Oh, let me see. If you say Japan, Japan.
The
Wala.
pan.
No, it's Japan ka pa rin. If you learn how to say Japan, we'll go to Japan.
Also me?
Including you and Titus.
Yay.
I'll bring you both to Japan.
Titus, you better get this.
Tomorrow, we can go tomorrow if you want.
Titus, you better get this.